everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make Aqua magic sand. Doesn't this look awesome? That is sand and it's underwater. So let's get started. First up, I have some Kinetic sand. I'm putting it onto a tray and I'm spreading it thin. I'm starting with orange sand. Next I'm going to take some water-resistant spray or Scotch Guard. I'm going to cover the sand in this spray. You want to make sure as much is covered as possible. Give it a good shake. Mix up the sand and spray again. We need every single surface of the sand to be covered in the spray. Mix it up and give it a good stir. This is what makes it waterproof. Repeat that process one more time. You can't be too safe. Now I'm going to press the sand into the bottom of a mold. I've made some other colours as well, so I'm going to make a rainbow. Starting with the orange, I've now got yellow and some green. Press it down as hard as you can. We don't want any air bubbles. Keep pressing. This is going to be amazing. It's going to sit underneath the water because it's aqua magic and it's waterproof. I've also done blue and purple. This is going to be an amazing rainbow castle underwater. Next, I've got some pink. Finally, some more red. Perfect. Let's look at the sand in action. You can see how waterproof it is. This is not how normal sand reacts in water. It's so fun to play with. That's all because of the spray that we added. Now let's put our castle. Give it a tap on top. And voila! Isn't that amazing? That is so cool. It's an underwater sand castle. Who knew that you could do that? This is so much fun to do. You can create any different shape you want and it's underwater. Amazing. Who would have thought? And there you have it, Aqua Magic Sand. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To. We'll see you again next time. Bye!